Hey guys, what's up? We just finished eating at Denny's. We just checked out of the hotel as well. BlizzCon was awesome. It was my first BlizzCon. It was Jennifer's first BlizzCon. 10 years of playing World of Warcraft, and I finally got a chance to head over to BlizzCon, meet some of the people that made a game that, for the most part, I've been playing most of my adult life. So we're now gonna go. We just finished eating at Denny's, and we're gonna go over to Blizzard headquarters and check out, how that is over there. What runs this game, and see, all the staff and everything. We'll keep you guys in tune and talk later.
Like awards that we won for doing stuff. Most of them say what they're for on them, so that's at least helpful. But yeah, we got a whole bunch of those that we just sort of keep here just to show off how cool we are.
Monkeys. Won monkeys.
Exactly.
Yeah. It's always cool to win a monkey. VGA
This over
awards.
here is actually top workplace. This is pretty cool over here. This is a lot of the models that they actually use for cinematics. So like, for example, Garrosh Hillscream up there very recently, and while that was a model they actually put together, they will make the model and then actually use that model to create the 3D renders that they then make the.
Hey, Hodded, check out that boomkin, dude.
Dude, that boomkin.
You saw that boomkin?
Where's the boomkin?
Right there, bro. Right up top.
Oh, the boomkin. Oh,
Look at that right
wow. That deserves to zoom in.
Yeah.
And of course there are some other ones in here as well. I believe there's like the one for the Pandaren monk up there. There's the tiny little gnome warrior with the Ashbringer on the Mechanostrider.
Seeing the work outside kind of made me doubt the legitimacy of it.
No warrior. No warriors are just that's fan.
300-pound guy.
Yeah, exactly.
That's true fantasy.
Why does he have Ashbringer? I don't understand why.
That's true
He's gonna
fantasy.
need something.
Here's them with full color.
And their skeeves are like
The bladed helm just run out.
I know George is like drooling right now.
Yeah, this is just
I
insane.
love the figurines. These are
This is
beautiful.
awesome. I want them all.
Wow.
I want them all.
George collects.
There's a
lot of them do exist in
collie
some
looking
fashion.
build right there.
Yeah, no, this thing is awesome, dude. No, it's getting. There we go. No.
Like I said, the rest of it is awesome. That's for StarCraft at the moment, but there's some pretty cool stuff in here. I know like most of you guys are WoW guys, but there's a lot of.
I'm a Blizzard guy.
Well, that's perfect. So am I.
Oh, this is just sick, dude.
Go ahead.
Blizzard. Oh my god, it's Blizzard coffee. Let me stop. Let me let that go. This
And we
is
actually have a little video
Oh,
of
look
someone
at that,
making
like,
this like little fossilized drone there. That's pretty cool.
that is that right there,
Yeah, exactly.
and that is not fast forward. That's all of it in real time, guys. That's all real time.
A lot of caffeine.
Oh, these are original.
You have a lot of original concept art in here.
Guys, original. No focus. Alright, whatever, it's Kerrigan.
Yeah. This is the original sketch for Zerglings, medics and such.
Original Zergling. Oh, it hasn't changed much. Look at that. Still looks ugly. Still owns.
A lot of people don't know this. Jim Raynor was actually originally Crocodile Dundee. So.
Oh my god.
That's a thing.
Look at that. Look at that medic. Medic owning. Crocodile Dundee. Correct. Correct. Crocodile Dundee. Original sketch art for Jim Raynor.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Protoss.
It's a Korean book written on economics based on StarCraft. There was a guy that taught a class.
Starknomics.
There was a class at a fairly
Protoss.
well-to-do Korean college that had an economics class based on StarCraft.
So this is kind of cool. There's actually a copy of StarCraft that went into space. And
That
they brought
is
it back,
just epic.
Which apparently.
How was their
means
ping?
I don't think it was very good. They could have maybe played some single player, but
Spawned a copy.
That's
they
awesome.
spawned a copy. Yeah, just playing locally. They actually use StarCraft now to actually fly the space shuttles. So it's really straightforward. You click on the space shuttle, then you click on like the moon, and you just go.
And it kind of just makes it there.
Really, I don't know why they haven't been doing that for years before. It's just a much simpler system.
I think so too. So you guys are getting kickbacks from that, right? They're using your software.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
That's actually where we got StarCraft 2. Was they found it on the moon and brought it back.
That's why it took so long.
Exactly. It takes a while to get things from.
That's it. That was the end of the tour. You guys can't see what we saw, but all of it was amazing. Everything was great. I want to buy every single thing that I saw in there. We got to see level designers, PvP guys. Everything was great. So that's the tour of Blizzard. Sorry you guys couldn't see everything, but take my word for it. Everything was awesome. So, Haddad, Swifty, what do you guys think?
Oh my god.
What do you guys
Incredible.
think? So, Haddad, favorite thing?
Probably the custom popcorn machine in the PP area.
All right. Swifty, favorite thing?
When they showed us how they created the worlds.
Awesome.
I was blown away. I was just standing in front of there like, what?
Whole nother
Oh,
respect
no.
for level design?
Oh my god.
And then he showed us the secret weapons. We're not allowed to say what they were, but we got to see a bunch of secret weapons. They were orange.
No, we entered the room and we were like, no pictures? Come on.
Yes.
That was that amazing.
The room, no pictures.
Oh my god.
When you enter every door at Blizzard, that's awesome. It says no pictures.
Yeah, I know.
It says no pictures.
I know George was like, no, I want to take a picture of this.
So I'm gonna give you guys really quick, just close your eyes. You walk into Blizzard, you take pictures of everything, right? And you're like, awesome, awesome, awesome. That's how I was. And then, as you open the doors, or sorry, rewind. Before you open the doors, they go, guys, no pictures, guys, no pictures. Then they open the door, and when you open it, the most awesome thing you could ever imagine is right there. And then say no pictures. So not fair. They keep all the good stuff to themselves. Oh, take a look at that guy.
I know.
Oh, we got